Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a country that connects cities above the sea, redirects rivers by carving through mountains, and builds towers that seem to touch the clouds. This is not science fiction. It is not a fantasy. This is China. In today's video, we uncover the reality behind China's mega projects, structures that represent power, strategy, and a bold claim on the future. Stay with us until the end, because one question awaits you that might completely change the way you see the future. China is a nation that didn't just transform its own destiny, it challenged the infrastructure standards of the entire world. While many countries plan for decades, China turns those plans into reality. This is not merely a list of bridges, airports, or skyscrapers. It is the story of decisions that crowned China the king of mega projects. But this rise was far from easy. At one point, China faced enormous challenges: a rapidly growing population, expanding cities, water shortages, and exhausting travel times. Without bold solutions, economic growth could have stalled. So China made a decision, not for a small fix, but for the largest solutions the world had ever seen. And that is where the real story begins. Meet the longest bridge on Earth, the Danyang-Kunshan Bridge. Stretching over 160 kilometers, it carries travelers across vast landscapes as if distance barely exists. It forms the backbone of China's high-speed rail network, where trains exceed 300 kilometers per hour. Built with billions of dollars and years of engineering brilliance, it proves that speed begins with vision. Yet China's most critical challenge was water. While the south overflowed with rivers, the north struggled with thirst. The answer became one of humanity's largest water engineering projects, the South-North Water Diversion. Thousands of kilometers of canals were constructed, redirecting water to millions. Costing nearly $80 billion, it reshaped geography itself. This was not a battle against nature. It was a masterclass in working with it. Now step into the gateway of the future, Beijing Daxing International Airport. Designed like a futuristic spacecraft, it blends artificial intelligence with seamless travel. Millions of passengers move efficiently through a system built for tomorrow. It is more than an airport. It is a declaration that China is ready for the future. And now, the ultimate symbol of China's ambition, Shanghai Tower. Rising 632 meters, it dominates the skyline with intelligence as much as height. Built for efficiency, designed for resilience, and engineered to withstand earthquakes. It stands as a statement of economic strength, engineering mastery, and fearless vision. So the real question is not whether these projects are massive. The real question is, do we dare to think this big? China has shown that when vision is clear, the impossible becomes achievable. These were some of China's most astonishing mega projects. If this journey amazed you, like the video and tell us in the comments which project impressed you the most. Subscribe for more stories that reveal the world's greatest innovations.